What's up, everyone? What's happening? We are getting ready to load up. Gonna go take care of Miss B's yard today. Lay down some fertilizer. So that same bag of fertilizer that I got from Lowe's the other day is feeding my yard. What is going on here? This is why I wear hats. Exactly why I wear hats. So the same bag of fertilizer that I used on my yard is going to be used for her yard. So there you go. Money well spent. It's an investment. So let's go ahead, get everything loaded up, and then we will make our way over there. Start mowing. Got my mowing shoes. These are just Merrell hiking boots. Pretty good. Comfy. They work. Can't forget hat and sunglasses. Can't forget. These sunglasses are actually pretty good too. Polarized, and they're a wide frame and lens, so good coverage for safety as well. Always wear safety glasses. Yeah, gotta protect those ojos, you know. All right, let's go to Miss B's. Good boy. Just pulled up to Miss B's. So let's go. See what we're working with for Miss B. She says she's been watering, and maybe she has. Ooh, check this out. So, rocks. This is what I was talking about in my other video. This stuff right here will just destroy your lawn. Always pick up. Always check. That a large rock. I'm telling you. Those rocks, man, they will wreak havoc on everything. If you run over one with your mower, forget about it. Look at this. Look at all these rocks. That's what I'm talking about. Our backyard is not doing so hot. Here's a hole. The ground's starting, it's so dry. The ground's starting to split, but like here's. It's so frustrating. But here's an irrigation pipe, so careful there. But yeah, I mean, home builders, man. Home builders. Check your crews. Make sure that they are cleaning up their job sites. Let's go ahead, unload the equipment, and start mowing. I know what you're probably thinking. Why are you gonna mow? The grass is basically dead. It's not growing very much. Well, this goes back into the mow frequency. Mowing frequently, even though she's every 2 weeks, the grass is getting cut, so there's still a communication to the grass that it needs to dig in, start growing, start spreading. And the more she waters, the better it'll be. So we'll see what kind of transformation we can get out of it, but stick with me. edging, weeding complete. Man, I should have brought the topsoil for that hole, huh? I'll bring the topsoil next time. So now let's clean up and then fertilize. I'm done blowing. Time to fertilize. Fertilizer time. Yeah, I finished up Miss B's yard, which is great. Got the fertilizer down. I'll have to remind her to keep watering. Unfortunately, I forgot to get after photos and video of the cut, but a couple things on the checklist for next time we go. Make sure she keeps watering and put the topsoil in that large hole. So that's on the checklist for next time we go to Miss B's house. Man, other than that, guys, thank you for your support. It's because of y'all that I get to serve people like Miss B and give them service for free and help them revive their yards. So thanks again. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the good things to help the channel grow and help give me the opportunity to continue to serve my community. Love y'all. Have a good day.